In today's video, I'm going to teach you how can I share Smartsheet with non-users. If you need to show someone a Smartsheet but they don't have a paid account, you can still give them view-only access quickly and safely. Here's how to do it from start to finish with a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by heading to smartsheet.com in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct item you want to share. Smartsheet organizes content into workspaces, which are like folders for related sheets, reports, and dashboards. Open the workspace that contains the sheet you want to share so you're in the right place. Look to the top right of the screen and select Share. This opens the sharing panel. By default, Smartsheet can share at different levels, like an entire workspace or a single item. To limit access to just the specific file, choose Sheet in the Share panel, so you're granting access only to the sheet in front of you, not everything in the workspace. Next, type the recipient's email address in the invite field. This can be any valid email, even if the person has never used Smartsheet before. Double-check spelling to avoid bounced invites. If you're inviting more than one person, you can add multiple addresses, and they'll each receive an individual invite. You can also include a short message to give context about what they're looking at, which helps reduce confusion when the invite lands in their inbox. Before you send, set the permission level to Viewer. Viewer is perfect for non-users because it lets them open and read the sheet without making any changes. They won't be able to edit rows, delete data, or modify formulas, which protects your content while still keeping things transparent. If you ever need to adjust access later, you can return to the same share panel and change their permissions or remove them entirely. When everything looks good, click Share to send the invitation. The recipient will receive an email with a link to the sheet. They can view it in their browser, and in many cases, they'll be prompted to sign in or create a free Smartsheet login to confirm their identity. This doesn't require a paid license for view-only access. If they don't see the email, ask them to check their spam or junk folder and make sure your organization's sharing settings allow external invitations. That's it. You've shared a Smartsheet with a non-user in a secure, controlled way, using view-only permissions to keep your data safe while still getting everyone on the same page.